बच्चों आज हम ए बी सी और नंबर 1 2 3 कलर के साथ लिखेंगे। ग्रीन कलर, ए is for airplane, orange color. B is for butterfly, pink color. C is for car, magenta color. D is for duck, sea green color. E is for egg, red color. F is for frog, blue color. G is for grapes, pink color. H is for horse, red color. I is for ice cream, sea green color. J is for joker, orange color. K is for kite, green color. L is for lemon, blue color. M is for mango, pink color. N is for nest, red color. O is for orange, sea green color. P is for parrot, green color. Q is for queen, orange color. R is for red color. S is for sun, blue color. T is for tiger, pink color. U is for umbrella, green color. V is for van, orange color. W is for watch, pink color. X is for Xmas tree, blue color. Y is for yo-yo, pink color. Z is for zebra, magenta color. Number 1. Orange color. Number 2. Red color. Number 3. Blue color. Number 4. Magenta color. Number 5. Sea green color. Number 6. Green color. Number 7. A B C D E F G H I A K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z 1 2 3 4 5 6 7। थैंक यू बच्चों। इस तरह की वीडियो देखने के लिए चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, बेल आइकन को प्रेस करें। थैंक यू।